Yeah, I'd like to look for a car. Alright, what car next? Maybe an Acura? Okay, well, do you want an SUV or a sedan or a truck? I don't think they have a truck. Alright, SUVs, please. Okay, would you like to check out our 2021 Acura MDX? Yes, please. Alright, follow me to it. Alright, lead the way. This is our 2021 Acura MDX. It looks nice. Can I test drive it? Yeah, sure. Alright. Alright, let's go. Let's go to truck. How am I stuck? Let's go inside. Alright. Alright, so how did you like the car? I actually really liked it. Can I buy it? Yeah, sure, just follow me and let's go to the paperwork. Alright. Follow me. Alright, I'm gonna give you this paper and pen, and all you gotta do is sign there, and you have now signed your life away, and you have now own an Acura. Alright. Alright, here are the keys to your new car. Alright, let's go and drive this. I'll get that done tomorrow maybe. But for now, let's take it to our house. turn off the gun. Okay. Now. Okay. Now I'm gonna take some pictures. You know. Okay. That didn't work. Oh yeah, that worked. Alright, now we just gotta send this to people, and then this was a very fun roleplay, and I'm actually going to be using this car on more videos we make. So yeah, have a great day. Bye!